children, now we are going to discuss an interesting topic. In this class, we are going to learn essential informations of vitamins, their dietary sources, deficiency disorders and symptoms. In our day-to-day life, we are performing many works. Children, do you know to do any work, where do we get energy? Yes, correctly said. Food is one of the main source of energy and food is one of the basic need of all living organisms. Food contains essential nutrients that provide energy, helps in normal growth and development, repair the worn out tissues and protect the body from diseases. Children, do you know what are all the nutrients present in our food? Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fats. Now we are going to discuss vitamins in detail. Vitamins. Vitamins are the vital nutrients required in minute quantities to perform specific physiological and biochemical functions. Dr. Funk introduced the term vitamin. Vitamins are broadly classified into fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. What are fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins? Fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed along with fats in the diet and are stored in the body's fatty tissue and in the liver. What are water-soluble vitamins? Water-soluble vitamins are carried to the body's tissue but are not stored in the body. Vitamins are of different types. Now, shall we classify these vitamins into fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, D, E and K are fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B12 and vitamin C. Now, we are going to discuss dietary sources, deficiency disorders and symptoms of vitamins. Let's start with fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A was given the first letter of the alphabet as it was the first vitamin discovered. Vitamin A is also known as retinol. Sources of vitamin A are carrot, papaya, leafy vegetables, fish, liver oil, egg yolk, liver and dairy products. The lack of vitamin A intake causes deficiency disorders like xerophthalmia and nyctalopia, that is night blindness. Xerophthalmia is a disease that causes dry eyes. Night blindness or nyctalopia is the inability to see well at night or in poor light. The symptoms are dryness of cornea, unable to see in the dim light or in the night, and scaly skin. Vitamin D is also known as calciferol. The main sources of vitamin D are sunlight, egg, liver, dairy products and fish. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets in children. Rickets is the suffering and weakening of bones in children. It is a condition that affects bone development. The symptoms of rickets are bowlegs, defective ribs. The other name of vitamin E is tocopherol. The main sources of vitamin E are whole wheat, meat, vegetable oil and milk. The deficiency of vitamin E causes reproductive abnormalities. Sterility is the symptom of reproductive abnormalities. Vitamin K, also known as derivative of quinone. The main dietary sources of vitamin K are leafy vegetables, soya beans and milk. Blood clotting is prevented if we have vitamin K deficiency. What is blood clotting? Why it is that much important? Yes, clotting is a necessary process that can prevent us from losing too much blood in case of any injury or cut. Excessive bleeding due to delayed blood clotting is the main symptom of vitamin K deficiency. Come children, let's discuss water-soluble vitamins in detail. Vitamin B1 is also known as thiamine. The main dietary sources of vitamin B1 are whole grains, yeast, eggs, liver, and sprouted pulses. Beriberi is a disorder that can occur when a person has a lack of thiamine or vitamin B1. It's a nervous disorder. The symptoms of beriberi are degenerative changes in the nerves, muscles become weak, and paralysis. Vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin. The main dietary sources of vitamin B2 are milk, eggs, liver, green vegetables, and whole grains. The deficiency of vitamin B2 causes riboflavinosis. And the symptoms are irritation in eyes, dry skin, inflammation of lips, and fissures in the corners of the mouth. Vitamin B3, also called as niacin, and the main dietary sources of vitamin B3 are milk, eggs, liver, lean meat, groundnuts. Pellagra is a disease that occurs when a person does not have enough niacin. The symptoms of pellagra are inflammation of skin, loss of memory, and diarrhea. Vitamin B6, also called as pyridoxine. The main dietary sources of vitamin B6 are meat, fish, eggs, germs of grains and cereals, and rice polishings. Dermatitis is a deficiency disorder of vitamin B6. Symptoms of dermatitis are scaly skin and nervous disorder. Vitamin B12, also called as cyanocobalamin. The dietary sources of vitamin B12 are milk, meat, liver, pulses, cereals, and fish. Pernicious anemia is the deficiency disorder of vitamin B12. Decrease in red blood cell production leads to pernicious anemia. Vitamin C is also called as ascorbic acid. The main dietary sources of vitamin C are leafy vegetables, sprouts, citrus fruits like amla, lemon, and orange. Scurvy is a disease that occurs when a person does not have enough vitamin C or ascorbic acid. The important symptoms of scurvy are swollen and bleeding gums, delay in healing of wounds, teeth and bones malformed. In this class, we have discussed classification and types of vitamins, their dietary sources, deficiency disorders, and symptoms. I hope you understood this topic nicely. A colorful tabular column is given for you for further clarification. Thank you.